Hello everyone, hope you're doing good today. Just out here checking on the greenhouse. It got down to in the low 30s last night. I wanted to see how everything fared. Tomatoes are okay. Looks like everything's good. Greenhouse is unheated. And I'm just going to let you listen to the rain for a minute here. Not a sound you hear often out here in the high desert. And I put in some couple tubs of cold hardy seeds. I've got kale and mixed lettuces and some spinach. This bin I haven't revitalized yet. This is some older dirt from last year. I'll add some fresh manure and some amendments to it, and maybe put in another tub of greens. Over here I've got mint growing. Parsley's coming back, and how about that? But still got basil, tomatoes, my dahlias, which I grew from seeds. I always thought you had to have bulbs for those. Some purple basils and green, and some way down in there is some chives. So this is asparagus. I need to go ahead and get a little more fertilizer on it. Some scarlet kale and some dinosaur kale back there. The rest of these are basils. This is a ruffled one. It's wanting to bloom. I'm going to snip that off. But yeah, it got a little chilly last night, but everything in the unheated greenhouse is looking good. I moved my sage in from outside last night. Little tiny Tim tomato. He's doing good. And so I just wanted to show you how things made it through the cold snap last night. And let's get a little bit of that rain action. How about that? Yeah. It is raining in the high desert. So God bless y'all. Stay safe and keep looking up. Much love from them.